In this video, we will solve this word problem related to the quadratic function. Beth has 3,000 feet of fencing available to enclose a rectangular field. So first, let's draw a rectangular field like this. Okay, so A, express the area A of the rectangle as a function of x, where x is the length of the rectangle. So we will make the length x. All right, so we want to express the area A as a function of x. Okay, this is part A. All right, so what else do we know? We know this is a rectangle and this is x and that is x. And how long are these two sides? Well, luckily we know the perimeter 3,000 feet. That's the fencing we have to enclosure this rectangular field, which is the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay, so knowing this is x, these two, do you agree that will just be 3,000 minus 2x and then divided by 2? Okay, so if you agree with that, well, each side unknown will be 1,500 minus x. So 1,500 minus x. Okay, so we know the length, we know the width of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle will be the length times the width. In this case is x times 1,500 minus x. Simplify this a little bit. It's 1,500x minus x squared. Well, I would like to write this in the standard form of a quadratic function. So put the x squared term in front. So negative x squared plus 1,500x. So this is part A. Express the area A of the rectangle as a function of x. Okay, now let's look at question B. For what value of x is the area the largest? Okay, so let's look at B here. When will the area of the rectangle be largest? So here we're looking for what value of x this a of x will be the largest. So if you look at this function, you know it's a parabola facing down, right? Because a is negative here. All right, so here we will have a maximum value for the y, right? So we want to know for what value of x will you get the max value of y. So this is pretty much the problem of finding the vertex. Okay, so let's try to find the vertex here for this function. Let's write down the function a of x equals negative x squared plus 1,500x. So to find the vertex, there are two ways. You can use either way you want. So here I'm going to use the negative b over 2a way. This will give me the x coordinate of the vertex, which is negative, what is my b? 1,500 over 2 times, what is my a? Negative 1. So I have negative 1,500 divided by 2, 750. That's the x coordinate of the vertex. Well, this answers question B. For what value of x is the area the largest? It turned out this is 750. So when x is 750, your y has a maximum value. Right. So that's the answer for B, which is 750. Now let's answer the question C. What is the maximum area So this is asking you what is the y coordinate? What is the y coordinate of the vertex? So let's keep going. The y coordinate of the vertex can be found by plugging in the x coordinate of the vertex back into the function. Okay, so negative of 750, this value squared, plus 1,500 times 750. Oh, this is a lot of calculation. Okay, I changed my mind. Let me erase this. This is what I'm going to do now. Since this function, well, since this function and this function are the same function, I'm going to plug it into this one because it's easier to do the calculation with this one, I think. So that will give you 750 times 1,500 minus 750. This will give you 750 times 750. This will give you 2 zeros here, 75 times 75. 7, so 5, 3, 52, 5, 2, 6, 5. So my answer is 5625. So 5,602,500, this many square feet. Okay, this is the maximum area.